Hay Dairies Goat Farm has moved to a new and upgraded location along Neo Tiew Crescent, conveniently situated right opposite the Sungai Buloh Wetlands Reserve car park. This refreshed facility offers visitors a more comfortable and engaging farm experience in Singapore, perfect for families, animal lovers, and anyone curious to meet friendly goats up close. Come explore the new Hay Dairies Goat Farm and enjoy a unique countryside escape just minutes from the city. Hay Dairies Goat Farm was first established in late 1988, marking the beginning of Singapore's only goat farm. Before venturing into goat farming, the Hay family originally raised ducks, chickens, and pigs before they made the bold decision to transition to goat farming. What began with just 48 imported goats has since grown into a thriving herd of several hundred goats. As you venture deeper into Hay Dairies Goat Farm, you'll reach the milking barn, one of the farm's main highlights. The goats at Hay Dairies belong to the dairy goat family, a breed that has been domesticated and specially raised for milk production. Visitors who arrive early can watch the live goat milking session, which takes place every morning from 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. It's a fascinating experience that offers a closer look at how fresh goat milk is produced in Singapore, making it one of the best reasons to visit Hay Dairies Goat Farm early in the day. The new viewing gallery at Hay Dairies Goat Farm lets visitors comfortably sit on bleachers and watch the goat milking process up close, offering both an educational and relaxing farm experience. One of the highlights of visiting Hay Dairies Goat Farm is that visitors can get up close and feed the friendly goats right inside the barns. You can pick up a packet of alfalfa hay from the Hay Dairies shop for this fun and interactive experience. The alfalfa hay, imported from the United States, is high in protein and minerals and completely free from genetically modified organisms. It has a naturally pleasant aroma and serves as the main feed for the goats. As you approach the barns, you'll notice the goats eagerly poking their heads through the railings, ready to enjoy a mouthful of delicious, nutritious hay, a delightful moment for both kids and adults visiting this family-friendly goat farm in Singapore. Besides the free and easy visit, Hay Dairies Goat Farm in Singapore also offers educational farm tours, perfect for families, students, and groups who want to learn more about goat farming and fresh milk production. During the guided tour, an experienced in-house goat farmer will bring you around the farm, sharing interesting insights about the goats, their feeding routines, and the milking process. These educational farm tours are chargeable, with different rates for morning and afternoon sessions. Each tour package includes special perks such as a bottle of fresh Hay Dairies goat's milk and a souvenir to take home. For groups of 10 or more visitors, advance booking is required, and charges will apply according to the educational tour package rates. This makes it a fun and enriching farm experience in Singapore for both kids and adults alike.